Day 8 of building German sentences without memorizing words. Today we'll look at the ultimate line-skipping hack, how tiny pronouns completely rewrite the sentence engine layout. Yesterday, we established that time always cuts the line, forcing heavy nouns like einen Kaffee to park at the very end. But the second that heavy noun shrinks into a tiny pronoun like ihn, everything changes. German sentence engines hate heavy traffic, but they love speed. Tiny pronouns have absolute VIP priority. They aggressively skip the line, sliding right behind the subject and verb, leaving time words in the dust. Watch the priority law execute. I buy it today. Real German. Ich kaufe ihn heute. The heavy noun waited its turn, but the pronoun takes the fast track every single time. Pronouns skip to the front. Hit follow for day 9, where we look at what happens when a second passive person enters the sentence traffic jam.